Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 powerful ways to remove phlegm. Phlegm is a common problem that affects many people, and it can cause chest tightness, difficulty breathing, and a sore throat. If you're looking for a natural way to remove phlegm, then this video is for you. Phlegm is a thick, sticky mucus produced from the respiratory system to battle inflammatory reactions and illnesses. When the mucus becomes trapped in the lungs, it can cause obstruction, coughing, and difficulty breathing. In addition to medical treatments, there are some natural remedies that can help to expel the phlegm and clear the airways. Let's take a look at the individual home remedies now. 1. Steam inhalation. One of the best home remedies for clearing out phlegm and opening up airways is inhalation of steam. Boiling water should be used for this treatment, but for best results, it is recommended to add herbs that have expectorant and mucus, reducing qualities, such as mint, eucalyptus, sage, and elderberry. The process is very straightforward. Simply boil water in a pot, add a few leaves of the chosen herb, and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Once done, take the pot off the heat and place it on a solid surface, such as a table, being careful not to burn yourself. Sit in front of the pot, position your face just above it, and begin to breathe in the vapors that are released. It is recommended that you take deep breaths, first going through one nostril and covering the other, and then repeating the process with the other nostril. 2. Onion can clear phlegm. Onion is a beneficial food due to its components, which act as mucolytics, bronchodilators, and expectorants. To take advantage of its properties, you can incorporate onion into your meals. As a home remedy, you can also place half an onion on your nightstand to help you breathe in the vapors it gives off during your sleep. This is also a great way to naturally soothe a cough. Give it a try, and you will notice the difference in the morning. 3. Thyme can clear phlegm. Thyme is an incredible plant with incredible medicinal benefits. It is a great natural remedy for illnesses such as colds and flu. It has antiseptic, expectorant, and antispasmodic properties which help clear the respiratory tract and get rid of mucus. Just like the herbs mentioned previously, it can be used for steam inhalation or consumed as an infusion. To make the infusion, add 2 tablespoons of thyme leaves to boiling water. Let it steep for 5 minutes, strain the liquid, and then drink it. 4. Ginger can clear phlegm. Ginger, a popular root for improving health, is another effective natural remedy for removing phlegm. It can help treat nasal and lung congestion, as well as reduce coughing due to its expectorant qualities. To make it easier to remove mucus, an infusion of ginger, honey, and lemon can be prepared and 2 cups a day can be consumed. To make the infusion, first make a ginger tea, then add the juice of half a lemon and half a spoonful of honey, stirring all the ingredients together before drinking. 5. Gargling with salt water. If you want to get rid of the mucus that builds up in your throat and nostrils, gargling with salt water is a great option. Mix a tablespoon of salt in a glass of cold or warm water, stir it up, and then gargle with it for around 30 seconds. Doing this multiple times per day will allow you to observe a change. This same mixture can also act as a natural saline solution to help clear away the mucus. Put a few drops in each nostril and then inhale the liquid to help reduce the congestion. Along with these home remedies for phlegm, keep in mind the following suggestions to help remove the phlegm and stop it from getting worse. Consume a lot of water throughout the day to thin the mucus and expel it more effectively. Eat more foods that are high in vitamins C and E. Stay away from consuming items that create more mucus, such as dairy or wheat products. Try to stay away from tobacco, as this can make the problem worse and cause more mucus production. Utilize humidifiers in your house to raise the humidity in the air and reduce mucus. So, there you have it, 5 powerful ways to remove phlegm at home. These methods are all natural, and they can help to reduce your symptoms and make it easier to expel the phlegm. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.